Most travelers assume they'll get by just fine abroad, and in many places they can. But if you want to travel smarter, connect deeper, and have smoother experiences, these 5 tips will make a real difference. Tip 1. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. You don't need to be fluent. Just hello, thank you, and excuse me go a long way. Locals appreciate the effort, and it often leads to better treatment, warmer smiles, and even unexpected help. Tip 2. Practice your listening skills. Different accents, fast speech, and unfamiliar phrasing can trip you up. Before your trip, watch local videos or listen to content from the region you're visiting. It's not about perfection, it's about being prepared. Tip 3. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Whether you're lost or unsure about how something works, ask. Most people are happy to help, and asking 2 or 3 people for the same info can help you avoid misunderstandings. Tip 4. Use physical tools, not just apps. Carry a small notebook, a printed phrase guide, or a few key notes on paper. Tech can fail, batteries die, a handwritten note can be a lifesaver when Wi-Fi disappears. Tip 5. Engage with locals and immerse yourself. Put your phone away. Ask someone where they like to eat. Try the street food. Join a walking tour. The more you connect, the more travel becomes real. Not just a backdrop for Instagram, but an experience you'll actually remember. Travel isn't just about the places, it's about the people. And the better you communicate, the more open those doors become. If this helped you, drop a comment with your favorite travel trick, and subscribe to Mandovids for real travel insights that go deeper than the guidebooks.